Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beans curry. Let's start with the ingredients first. I have taken here 500 grams of beans. I have cut it into this shape. Then I'm using some curry leaves and pandan leaves. And I'm going to use some red shallots and then 2 cloves of garlic and some green chilies. So I'm going to cut the green chilies now. Then I'm going to cut the shallots. So I think 4 shallots will be more than enough. I'm going to cut the garlic now. So now I have finished cutting all the ingredients. I'm going to add this into the beans. So I will show you the spices I'm using. I will use some mustard seeds, some cinnamon sticks, some fenugreek seeds, some turmeric powder, some unroasted curry powder, some chili powder. Salt will be always to your taste. And also I will be using 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'm going to use half a cup of thick coconut milk. So now I'm going to add the spices into the beans. I will add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then I will add few cinnamon sticks. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, one and a half teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. If you don't like it spicy, you can omit the chili powder, and you can add salt always to your taste. I'm going to give it a good mix. Make sure all spices and ingredients mix well. So the pan is well heated now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. So now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And now I'm going to add the curry leaves and the pandan leaves. Give it a good mix and then we will add the beans. So give it all a good mix. So I'm going to cover the pot with a lid and let it cook for 1 minute. So after a minute, open the lid and give it a good mix. Then close it with the lid again and let's get it cooked for another minute. So I'm going to add nearly 1.5 tablespoons of water into the beans to get it cooked. Give it a good mix. Then close it with a lid and get this cook for another minute. Make sure you will give it a mix every minute until the beans get well cooked. So now my beans are well cooked. I have cooked this for nearly 5 to 6 minutes. So now I'm going to add the half a cup of coconut milk. You can add any amount of coconut milk as per your preference. So let's give this a good mix and get this cooked until the coconut milk comes to a boil. So now I'm going to check the taste of salt. If you find it's not enough, you can add more at this moment. So as you can see now, the coconut milk has come to a boil. So now I'm done with my beans curry. So this is the green beans curry that I prepared today. So your green beans curry should look green like you see in my pot. So do not overcook your beans until it gets discolored. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and please share this recipe with your friends who do not have access to the YouTube or internet, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. So let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.